Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Rana Fahim and you are watching the channel Education and Learning. This video is about non-probability sampling. I have already discussed the definition of sampling and the types of sampling, and I have also discussed probability sampling, and now I will discuss about non-probability sampling. So let's go towards the video. Definition: the non-probability method is a sampling method that involves a collection of feedback based on a researcher or statistician's sample selection capabilities and not on a fixed selection process. In most situations, the output of a survey conducted with a non-probable sample leads to skewed results which may not represent the desired target population. But there are situations such as the preliminary stages of research or cost constraints of conducting research where non-probability sampling will be much more useful than the other types of non-probability sampling. Convenience sampling. This method is dependent on the ease of access to subjects such as surveying customers at a mall or passers-by on a busy street. It is usually termed as convenience sampling because of the researcher's ease of carrying it out and getting in touch with the subjects. Researchers have nearly no authority to select the sample elements, and it's purely done based on proximity and not representativeness. The non-probability sampling method is used when there are time and cost limitations in collecting feedback. In situations where there are resource limitations, such as the initial stages of research, convenience sampling is used. Example: for example, startups and NGOs usually conduct convenience sampling at a mall to distribute leaflets of upcoming events or promotions of a cause. They do that by standing at the mall entrance and giving out pamphlets randomly. Judgmental or purposive sampling. Judgmental or purposive samples are formed by the direction of the researcher. Researchers purely considered the purpose of the study along with the understanding of the target audience. For instance, when researchers want to understand the thought process of people interested in studying for their master's degree, the selection criteria will be: are you interested in doing your master's in? And those who respond with no are excluded from the sample. Snowball sampling. Snowball sampling is a sampling method that researchers apply when the subjects are difficult to trace. For example, it will be extremely challenging to survey shelterless people or illegal immigrants. In such cases, using the snowball theory, researchers can track a few categories to interview and derive results. Researchers also implement this sampling method in situations where the topic is highly sensitive and not openly discussed. For example, surveys to gather information about HIV/AIDS. Not many victims will rapidly will readily respond to the questions. Still, researchers can contact people they might know or volunteers associated with the cause to get in touch with the victims and collect information. Quota sampling. In quota sampling, the selection of members in this sampling technique happens based on a preset standard. In this case, as a sample is formed based on specific attributes, the created sample will have the same qualities found in the total population. It is a rapid method of collecting samples. Thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.